Hey there, so I was looking for if your Bambulab P1S is not sticking and what you can actually do about it. So I was looking on this on Reddit and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. So silly question, but are you sure you've selected the texture PEA plate from the drop down menu in a slicer? So this is also a question for you if you have it. And there was like also the answer, the cool plate is a very specific plate that requires glue. You're pretty lifting because no heat was being applied to keep it down. So this is something that you can try it out. Maybe it's going to fix the issue for you, and this is the issue the person has with it. So I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to be completely useless for you. And look at this. I just want to give everyone an update. I went back and made sure the bed was correctly selected to texture, PEA, plate, and correct temperature. Print out the same part and it's stuck down, really stuck down. Had to press it with a scraper. Top surface is now cleaner and it's not jumping and down during printing. So it just helped him. So try it out also if you can do it, and just go how to just change it to texture PE plate. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.